Ready to launch your own online store? With DecoNetwork, building a professional custom decoration e-commerce website has never been easier. In just a few steps, you'll be on your way to managing products, designs, and orders, all in one place. Let me walk you through the simple sign-up steps. First, fill in your contact details: your first name, last name, country, business phone, and email address. Next, set up your account details. Start with the store name field. This is where you name your store. The name must only contain letters, numbers, or hyphens, no spaces. Choose from a list of free DecoNetwork store domains. This will combine with the store name to form your website address. Don't worry, you can change this later or even use your own custom domain. Then, create your account username. This must be a single word with only alphanumeric characters and no spaces. Set a password that's at least 5 characters long with both letters and numbers. Remember, passwords are case sensitive. Select your preferred language for the account. Now, enter your company details: company name, address, city, state, postcode, and country. Finally, add your payment details to cover the one-time license fee and monthly subscription. If you have a coupon code, be sure to enter it here to claim your discount. Read and agree to the license agreement by ticking the checkbox. Click Sign Up, and you're all set to start building your store. Ready to grow your business? Sign up now and bring your vision to life.